Hello students, class 10th, lesson number 1, a letter to God, important 20 MCQs by Let's Study with Shweta Saxena. First, the author of a letter to God is Walt Whitman, G.L. Prentice, Charles Dickens, Anton Chekhov. Yes, the correct answer is B part, G.L. Prentice. Lencho's house was situated on the top of a hill, at the bottom of a hill, near the river, none of these. The correct option is on the top of a hill. Third, raindrops began to fall. A. Before the dinner. B. After the dinner. C. After the lunch. D. During the dinner. The correct option is during the dinner. Fourth, the big drops and little ones refer to A. 5 cents and 2 cents respectively. B. 100 cents and 50 cents respectively. C. 10 cents and 5 cents respectively. D. Older boys and young girls. The correct option is the C part, 10 cents and 5 cents respectively. Fifth, Lencho wrote a letter to God when his bullocks died, when the rain fell, when his cornfield ripe, when his crops were ruined. D. When his crops were ruined, जब उसकी फसल बर्बाद हो गई थी. Sixth, Lencho's field was destroyed by hailstones, means ole, B. Rain, plague of locusts, all of the above. The correct option is the A part. ओले पड़ गए थे, hailstones. Seventh, Lencho's only hope was his love of his family, the help of God, the support of post office employees, all of the above. The correct option is the help of God. सिर्फ उसको भगवान की ही उम्मीद थी. Eighth, in a letter to God, Lencho asked for 50 pesos, 10 pesos, 100 pesos, 1 crore pesos. कितने पैसे मांगे थे उसने गॉड को जो लेटर लिखा था उसमें? The correct option is 100 pesos. Ninth, Lencho needed the money to A. Harvest his field, to buy new bullocks for his field, to live happily. D. Sow his field and live until the crop comes. जिससे कि वो अपनी फील्ड्स को सो कर सके, उगा सके और जब तक उसकी फसल नहीं आती वो जी सके. डी इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Who decided to answer Lencho's letter? लेंचो ने जो लेटर लिखा था उसे किसने आंसर करने के लिए सोचा? The postmaster, the postman, Lencho's relatives, Lencho's sons. A. The postmaster. 11th, Lencho was angry to find only 70 pesos. The postman, letter of the God, all of the above. क्या देख के उसे दुख हुआ था, गुस्सा आया था? Answer is A part, only 70 pesos, incomplete sum of money. 12th, after counting the money, 12th, after counting the money, Lencho felt thankful, pleasant, happy, angry. कैसा लगा था उसे जब उसने पैसे गिने थे? Angry, वो गुस्सा हो गया था क्योंकि वो incomplete sum of money था. 13th, the postmaster managed to arrange dash money for Lencho. कितने मनी अरेंज कर पाया था वो? A. 70 pesos, B. 100 pesos, C. 50 pesos, D. 20 pesos. The correct answer is the A part, 70 pesos. 14th, postmaster decided to reply Lencho's letter to show his humanity. अपना अच्छा नेचर दिखाना चाहता था. Win fame, नाम कमाना चाहता था. Preserve Lencho's faith in God, या लेंचो का जो भगवान में विश्वास था उसे बचाए रखना चाहता था. और all of the above. The correct option is C part. 15th, the postmaster was a fat, amiable fellow. Amiable, what is the meaning of amiable? Helpful and kind, rude and angry, elderly, friendly and pleasant. What do you think is the correct option? The correct option is friendly and pleasant. On his reply to God, Lencho addressed the post office employees as, जो उसने गॉड को लेटर लिखा था उसमें पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए क्या लिखा था, वो किस टाइप के लोग हैं? Bunch of crooks, a plague of locusts, a swarm of bees, या none of the above? He referred them as bunch of crooks. 17th, Lencho believed God could not have made a mistake because लेंचो को विश्वास था कि भगवान गलती नहीं कर सकते, उन्होंने आधा पैसा नहीं भेजा है क्योंकि money received was not complete, B, money received was satisfactory, he did not receive the money, none of the above. The correct option is the A1. The money received was not complete. आधा पैसा आया था, मतलब सारा नहीं आया था, उसे इसलिए लगा कि भगवान कभी गलती नहीं कर सकते. 18th, Lencho received the letter from God containing A, money and signature of God, money and signature of postmaster, only money, only signature of God. जो उसको लेटर्स आया था गॉड से, उसमें क्या था? उसमें था मनी एंड सिग्नेचर ऑफ गॉड. 19th, Lencho did what did Lencho compare the large raindrops with? लेंचो ने बड़ी बड़ी रेन ड्रॉप्स को किससे कंपेयर किया था? गोल्ड कॉइन्स, सिल्वर कॉइन्स, पर्ल कॉइन्स और न्यू कॉइन्स. ही कंपेयर्ड इट विद न्यू कॉइन्स. 20, व्हाट डिड लेंचो आस्क फॉर इन हिज सेकेंड लेटर? दूसरा लेटर जो उसने भगवान को लिखा था उसमें उसने क्या मांगा? A, 100 pesos, B, more money, he didn't ask anything, or the remaining amount? The correct option is the remaining amount, D part. Thank you children. I hope you have understood.